In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to change hair color in Photoshop in a way that looks natural, professional, and completely non-destructive. This is one of the most useful photo editing techniques if you're doing portraits, fashion edits, thumbnails, or even just experimenting with different looks. The best part is that we're not going to permanently change the image. Instead, we'll use adjustment layers and masks so you can always tweak the color later. Once you learn this method, you can turn dark hair blonde, brown hair red, or completely experiment with creative colors like blue or purple. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple Photoshop tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump straight into Photoshop and start changing hair color the professional way. The first step is selecting the hair. Getting a good selection is what makes the color change look realistic. Go over to the toolbar and choose the Object Selection tool or the Quick Selection tool. Both of these tools work great for selecting hair quickly. With the tool selected, simply click and drag your brush over the hair area in the photo. Photoshop will automatically try to detect the edges and create a selection around the hair. Don't worry if it isn't perfect right away. Hair can be tricky because of small strands and soft edges. To improve the selection, go to the top menu and click Select, and then choose Select and Mask. Inside this workspace, you can refine the edges of the hair. Use the Refine Edge Brush tool and gently paint around the hairline where small strands exist. This helps Photoshop capture those fine details so the color change blends naturally. Once you're happy with the selection, click OK to return to your document. Now we're going to add the color change using an adjustment layer. This is the key step that keeps everything non-destructive. Go to the top menu and click Layer, then New Adjustment Layer, and choose Hue Saturation. Because we already made a selection of the hair, Photoshop will automatically create a layer mask that applies the adjustment only to that selected area. That means the color change will affect only the hair and not the rest of the image. You'll now see the hue and saturation controls appear in the Properties panel. This is where the magic happens. Inside the Hue and Saturation panel, the first thing you want to do is enable the Colorize option. Once you check Colorize, Photoshop will apply a color tint to the selected hair area. Now you can start adjusting the sliders to create your desired hair color. The Hue slider controls the actual color. Moving this slider will shift the hair through different colors, like red, yellow, green, and more. The Saturation slider controls how intense or vivid the color appears. Higher saturation creates a stronger color, while lower saturation keeps it softer and more natural. The Lightness slider adjusts how bright or dark the hair appears. For example, if you want brown hair, try a hue value around 25. For blonde hair, move the hue closer to around 45 and slightly increase the lightness. If you want a red hair look, try a hue value somewhere between 0 and 10 and increase the saturation slightly to give it that rich tone. The great thing about this method is that you can keep adjusting these sliders until the color looks perfect for the image. Next, we'll refine the result using the mask. Look at the adjustment layer in your Layers panel and click on the white mask thumbnail. This mask controls exactly where the color appears. Select the brush tool by pressing B on your keyboard. Make sure your brush is soft for smoother blending. If you paint with black on the mask, it will remove the color effect from that area. This is useful if some color accidentally spills onto the skin, background, or clothing. If you need to bring the color back onto the hair, simply switch the brush color to white and paint over the hair again. This gives you complete control over the final result and helps make the edit look clean and realistic. And that's it. You've successfully changed hair color in Photoshop using a professional, non-destructive method. Because we used a hue and saturation adjustment layer with a mask, you can always come back later and adjust the color, brightness, or intensity without damaging the original image. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy Photoshop tutorials and photo editing tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.